In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply time remapping using Kdenlive video editor. To begin with, I'm going to add the video to project bin in Kdenlive. Just drag and drop. And next, I'm going to add this video to video track 1 here. Again, drag and drop. Now let's take a look at this video with no effects. So this is the normal speed of my video. As you can see, no time remapping. And if I want to apply time remapping, I have to navigate over the video here in video track 1, right click, and then time remap. Now you should see these settings opening here. So what I want to happen with my video is if I move the playhead here at the top, I want my video to start going in fast motion from this point. So I'm going to create a keyframe here. Okay, now from this point up until this point, I want my video to be in fast motion. So add keyframe. And then from this point onwards, so from this keyframe up until, let's say, this point in time, I want a slow motion. So I like these rays coming through the clouds. So I will slow down the video to enjoy this view. So let's add another keyframe here. And then from this keyframe, from this point in time, I'll keep the fast motion. So from the very beginning of the video up until the first keyframe that I created, I want my video to go at the 100%. Now to explain these numbers here below, speed before, which means speed before this keyframe, which is this section, is set to 100%, which is the normal speed of the video. Now speed after is speed after this keyframe up until the next one. And I said that I want my speed to be in fast motion from this keyframe up until the next one. So I will select this keyframe and adjust the after to, so to increase the speed, we have to go up, or to make it in slow motion, we have to go down. So you can use these arrows or just navigate over this window and scroll up. So right now I'm increasing the speed of this section of the video. So let's make it 300%, which is going to be super fast. Now if I select the next keyframe here, my video here is starting at 100%, which is the normal speed. Now in this section, it's going to go at 300%. Now, if I select this next keyframe, as you can see, speed before this keyframe is 3 times faster, but after, from this keyframe up until the next one, is the normal speed. But as I said, I want it to be in slow motion, so I'm going to reduce this, or just scroll down like this. I'm going to change this to 50%. Okay, so this is going to be in slow motion. Now if I select this next keyframe, so from this next keyframe up until the end of the video, I want my video to be in a fast motion again. So as you can see, before this keyframe, it was the slow motion. And after this keyframe, I'm going to change it to probably 300 as well. Okay, just around 300. So now what's happening here in this view, my video starts from this keyframe, from the start up until this keyframe at 100%. Then from this first created keyframe up until the next one, my video goes in 300% fast motion. From this keyframe up until the next one, it's going to go in slow motion. And from this keyframe up until the end, it's going to go at 300% fast motion again. Now, let's take a look at the video. So I'm just going to hit play. Boom, that's the fast. This is the slow motion. And this is the fast motion again. And this is basically how you apply time remapping to your videos. Now, last thing that I will suggest doing when you apply time remap to your videos is make sure you take frame blending. This is actually important when you apply slow motion effects, because it's going to help you reduce the choppiness of your videos. I would strongly suggest to render your clip without frame blending and then render your clip again with frame blending, and you can compare the two, and I can guarantee you that whenever you have the slow motion in time remapping, frame blending is gonna smooth out the video. And that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.